Hi there. Say, are you lonely? Do you crave female companionship? Well, follow the directions in this book and learn how to meet beautiful women. Now, we want to smell nice, don't we? So what's the first thing we do? No, the first thing we do is we take our clothes off. Then we make sure we are underarm fresh. Now for that super strong cologne. On the face, on the body, splash it all over. Feels good, doesn't it? Now we're ready to meet those beautiful women. Let's start with the old drop the handkerchief routine. And when she hands it to you, you're halfway there. But here comes one now. If at first we don't succeed, what do? That's right, we try again. Now, beneath the bosom of every woman beats the heart of the nurse. But here come two real ones. You pull a feint, and in next to no time, a soft, gentle hand is stroking your hot, fevered brow. We can't win them all, can we? Let's try the knight in shining armor approach. Now here's a damsel in distress. You come to her aid, and she will show you her gratitude. To really impress her, try leaning against a parked luxury car. Better still, sit in it. After all, you didn't actually say it was your car, did you? Why don't you phone up a movie agency? Arrange to have a big, tough stunt guy insult her. You come to her rescue, he does a couple of fake falls, runs off, and you're her hero. difficult, was it? It's as easy as falling off a log. If you followed the instructions of the book, you are now alone with the girl of your dreams. And all's well that ends well.